In this video, I'll show you how to set up VPN in your Android phone. We'll be using NordVPN, the best VPN for Android, throughout this tutorial because it's fast, secure, and super reliable for privacy, streaming, and gaming. You can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and follow along. Just head over to the Google Play Store, search for NordVPN, and download the official app. When you open NordVPN, you will see two options: log in and sign up. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you're new, tap Sign Up and create your account, then come back and log in. You'll see how clean and simple the interface is. One thing I really appreciate about NordVPN is its massive server network. It has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries, including specialized ones for extra privacy. You'll find double VPN servers for added encryption, P2P servers for torrenting, and obfuscated servers, which are perfect for bypassing censorship in heavily restricted regions. NordVPN also goes beyond what regular VPNs offer. It includes threat protection, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, so even when you're not connected to a VPN server, your browsing stays clean and secure. Their servers are RAM-based, meaning they don't store data physically, ensuring nothing is logged or retained. Combine that with multiple independent audits and a strict no-logs policy, and you've got serious privacy protection. The app is also super user-friendly. You get a quick connect button for instant secure access, an interactive map, and a complete list of countries to choose from. If you're gaming, streaming, or working remotely, you'll love features like split tunneling and the kill switch that give you more control and safety online. NordVPN also includes a kill switch feature, which cuts your internet instantly if the VPN connection drops, keeping your data protected at all times. Threat protection helps block ads, trackers, and harmful websites before they even load, giving you a safer and smoother browsing experience. And that's it. Your Android phone is now fully set up with NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start browsing safely on your device.